I have to do my morning stuff really, really fast because I need to make a phone call. These things are all like stuck to the bottom. So we're gonna go fast. So choose the greens. Drop the flowers. My kid's watching the Christmas Chronicles. Bad morning. Dutch chocolate shake, 2 shots of espresso. Silk, call me. I use you every day on my vlogs. Remember that. The shaking the world, I'm telling you. Every single day. It never fails. Listen. Alright. Gotta go. Bye. Alright, so I'm making some tea because I feel like I just need it right now. Lemon tea. Beauty booster. Y'all, this is my favorite tea. I would choose this over a loaded tea unless it's extremely hot and I'm outside. Then I'll have me a mega loaded tea. But this tea right here is life. My favorite thing ever. And look, y'all, I'm losing weight and my ring keeps moving. What? Yay! Alright, so I just got home from picking up my daughter from my brother's house, and in an hour I have to take her somewhere that's like 45 minutes away. So I'm gonna make me one of these keto thins. These are 100 calories. These are 100 calories. I'm gonna use this instead of bread. The keto bread is good too. There's 60 calories per slice, but this for the whole thing is just 100. So instead of using 260s, I'm using 100. And then I'm gonna get just a little bit of mayonnaise because I don't have time to be making nothing cutesy right now. I would like to use some Greek yogurt and make some Greek yogurt and make like a sauce, or like some hummus. But yeah, I ain't got time for that right now. I don't even have any hummus at home. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave. So I'm going to add some, I don't have regular cheese. I really need to go grocery shopping, guys. I don't have regular cheese, so I have shredded mozzarella. And it's gonna melt anyways. And I have some turkey. We always have turkey in our house because it's a savior for days like this when you're in a hurry and just need something to eat. So that's that. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave and then I'll show you when I finish. While it's in the microwave, I'm going to get this lettuce that I bought like days ago and then never used it. But I actually saw this TikTok where the guy like got his lettuce, right? don't know if you're like me, but when I buy these, I just peel them off like this, like one at always take these top ones off, so I'm not wasting it to show you. But I just peel them off like that, right? But I seen this guy where he punched it and it just opened like a flower. So I'm gonna try it. Okay, yeah, no. Can't do that. Nope. Can't. I'm not strong enough, y'all. That shit hurt. Yeah, no. We're just gonna stick to the way I do it. I'll talk to my husband and ask him to do it later. So now I have my hot turkey, cheese, and mayonnaise. I guess it doesn't sound too good. Y'all hear my kids yelling in the background? I'm trying to talk over them. Anyways, I like a lot of lettuce on my sandwiches. Like a lot. A lot. Because I like the crunch. I know y'all know that from my previous vlogs. It's a lot of lettuce. But I'm gonna eat this like this. It's my sandwich, y'all. I love the lettuce. Don't judge. Hold up.
Not her trying to cover
her hair.
Look, look, look!
Oh my god.
Ah! I knew that was gonna happen. Should I put down the window and scream?
Yeah. It's almost 10 o'clock and me and Cadence are sitting out of the movie theaters waiting on Kimora to come out from her date. Oh, there they are right there. I'm gonna record them. Hold on. I'm gonna record them. That's why I haven't recorded anything, because we've been out waiting for them to get out the movies. But here, hold on.
Why is she walking so low? Could you see us? Could you see me?
Yeah. How was the movie?
It was good. My favorite is one with
Kimora?
the horse. What?
How was your date?
Mom.
Okay. It is after 11 o'clock and I don't know why she's still awake. I came home with the older two and she is just wild. We're going to do our night stuff real quick so she can go sit down and go to sleep. Super green and apple cider. Super green apple cider.
What lid is that? There's 3 more.
Calms. We're doing 2 calms. That's this one.
It is for the melon.
Malt thyme.
Here's your central.
Fat burner.
Yeah, Mom, you can drink your water now. There. I like it.
She's my helper. Thank you. And the treatment. Treatment.
You did this one before. Why are you not doing it anymore?
Because I only do that one in the mornings.
That almost made me cry.
So that's that for today. Very short vlog again.
Bye. See you on the next video. Bye.
See you on the next video.
Bye-bye.